Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
You'll start by confirming two essentials. Your laptop has power and a wireless adapter enabled. Once confirmed, open Settings from the Start menu. This central pane controls airplane mode. If you prefer a faster route, press Windows + to open Quick Actions and scan for the airplane tile. Make sure you observe whether the airplane tile is highlighted. That indicates it's active. If you can't find Settings, use Windows + I. Both paths put you where you need to begin. Now navigate to Network and Internet and select Airplane Mode so you can see all radio controls. You'll see a master switch labeled Airplane Mode. Toggle it off to restore all wireless radios. Once done, confirm Wi-Fi and Bluetooth switches re-enable automatically. Some machines let you re-enable them manually if needed. If you used Quick Actions earlier, toggling the airplane tile off achieves the same effect instantly. Remember why? Airplane mode. Finish by verifying connectivity. Look for the Wi-Fi icon and reconnect to your network. Enter the password if prompted. If you don't regain internet, restart the WLAN adapter from network connections or reboot the laptop. That clears transient driver states. If still offline, open Device Manager and ensure the wireless adapter is enabled and drivers are current. As a quick troubleshooting tip, toggle airplane mode on then off again. That forces the system to reinitialize wireless services and often resolves lingering connectivity issues.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.